So back on the 3rd of June 2023, when this article came out saying that Ripple's co-founder Arthur Bruto had envisioned XRP's potential at $10,000 with global scalability, not many people believed it because they envisioned that maybe XRP would be deemed a security, or that it would be impossible for XRP to use global scale if the United States of America were to reject it. And even though this was a possibility in the past, as of 2 days ago, this had all changed due to a ruling by Judge Torres deeming XRP as a digital token is not in and of itself a security. It's quite important to acknowledge that $10,000 per XRP has been a price mark that the general of Ripple founders and Ripple's co-founders have actually talked about. And we'll go over this shortly, to where on multiple occasions Ripple's co-founder, Ripple's CTO, a bunch of Ripple's members, employees have all cited $10,000 per coin in their examples. And as well, in the tweet here, Ripple Labs co-founder Arthur Bruto, XRP is designed for $10,000 and must be scalable to accommodate 7.5 billion people. This is his statement. The article goes on to say that Bruto's ambitious vision for XRP reflects his confidence in the scalability and widespread adoption of the digital asset. By aiming at a price of $10,000, XRP would join the rank of the most valuable cryptocurrencies in the market. Bruto's emphasis on global scalability recognizes the need for XRP to handle transactions on a massive scale, enabling its usage across various industries and populations. In another occasion, $10,000 here was stated in one of the examples by David Schwartz, also known as Joel Kaz, where he says that the current minimum transaction fee is 10 drops. A drop is a millionth of an XRP. So even with no change in fees, if XRP somehow hit $10,000, the minimum transaction fee would be 10 cents. The minimum fee could be voted down to 1 drop. If you want to imagine a world where even a millionth of 1 XRP is too high a transaction fee, you can imagine two types of protocol changes. One, you pay 1 drop and get some number of transaction credit that you can use for fees. And in another example, David Schwartz even used a higher price, higher than XRP, 10,000 per coin. In fact, he cited $1 million per coin, to which he states, "It can't be dirt cheap, that doesn't make any sense. If XRP costs $1, then you need a million XRP, which would cost $1 million. While if XRP cost $1 million, they'd need only 1 XRP, which would again cost $1 million. The only difference, the higher prices make payments cheaper. Right now you can buy a $1 million house with Bitcoins, but when Bitcoin were 300, it would move the market too much and be too expensive to be practical. So higher prices make payments cheaper." But one thing that they all note, even when giving the XRP price of $10,000 per coin, is that it needs global scalability to do so, and we are getting that right now. With XRP partnering with a lot of major FIs, also known as financial institutions like ACI World, Vulcan Technology, and Vinstra, all parts of the Federal Reserve, this is showing us that they are going to scale at a large volume. JP Morgan has also made it clear that they're going to be adopting XRP. The FedNow payment system has emphasized that they may accept XRP as a method of their blockchain aspect of their FedNow payment system. And many central banks have emphasized the fact that they will or currently are using Ripple to pilot their central bank digital currency. An example of this is the Central Bank of Colombia. On top of that, you're going to have the Central Bank of Montenegro, which signs agreement with Ripple to develop a digital currency strategy and pilot. And even Dubai, where Ripple gains recognition as blockchain leader by Dubai government media. But really, this is only a slim minority of all the partnerships that are happening or have happened. And this is what's giving XRP that global scalability that is going to raise its potential price to over $10,000 per coin. Now, we have just touched the surface of why XRP is going to hit $10,000 per coin. And of course, there is no guarantees as to what the price of XRP will be. But before we jump further into this video, I want to take a quick second to ask you guys to please tap that like button, subscribe to the channel for further information about XRP, and for all the latest crypto and XRP news, as it takes a really long time to do the research, lay to you guys in a simplified format, and try to get the news as soon as it is revealed to you all. And then as always, make sure you guys share this video, watch to the end, and drop a comment down below if you have any comments or concerns. That being said, let's move forward into the video. Now, over the last couple days, we've seen even a bigger emphasis on the acceptance of Ripple XRP. Like just earlier, the Bank of America exec stated that Ripple XRP is a possible exception in the payment space. And just 2 days prior to that, the Bank of America had also said that they expected to partner with Ripple. So of course, this is also very good news and shows us the quick enthusiasm and the quick partnerships that are about to unveil with Ripple only in the next couple days. Similarly, the Bank of Japan also went ahead and cited that they are going to be using XRP to facilitate cross-border payments, additionally within the last 2 days. And while we have all seen what happened in the last couple days, to which all the exchanges, or at least 90% of them, had relisted XRP, including the top 3 major exchanges, Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Not only did Coinbase relist XRP, but they also went ahead and tweeted about Ripple, citing a W for Ripple, a W for the industry, a W for builders, a W for clear rulebook, and a W for the updating system. Oh, and XRP is now open for trading. Additionally, Kraken actually went ahead and clearly stated that the new token is now available for US, XRP, Ripple. Trading is now live. And real quickly before we jump into the sponsor of today's video, I want to talk a bit about the statement right here. As Ripple eyes tokenization asset sector as it expects market cap to reach $30 trillion. Just imagine the price of XRP if it were to have a market cap of 30 trillion. And so let's go and roll the sponsor of today's video and we'll jump furthermore into this article and exactly what we expect the price of XRP to be. Now, before we move further into this video, if you're trying to make yourself a ton of XRP by staking it, you'll have to use Dexpool, which is linked in the description. Now, I do want to say that they just sponsored this video, but they are actually one of the greatest platforms that I personally use to stake my XRP, and I've been staking with them for some time. Now, keep in mind, they give you your profits every single 8 hours and have over $386 million in total protocol liquidity, and that's increasing on a daily basis. They also have over 383 pairs and feature all of the top cryptocurrencies, including some of these smaller ones as well, so you can basically stake any cryptocurrency that you hold. And to top it off, for you guys, they're doing a 100 XRP liquidity bonus, in which you get a 10-day liquidity bonus. The offer is limited, and make sure you guys take advantage of this. Again, the link is down in the description. They have a bunch of options like top up, withdraw, and view your transactions, and it is extremely simple to do all of this, and you can actually complete it in only a few clicks. I personally have not only been able to withdraw my profits, but also my initial investment, and they allow you to unlock your liquidity at any point in time and reap the rewards still that you have gained, so you basically don't lose. That being said, make sure you guys do use the link in the description, and let's get right back into the video. Alright, so throughout this article that speculates that XRP, and most importantly, cites that Ripple eyes tokenized asset sector as it expects a market cap to reach $30 trillion, it goes over the fact that Ripple is the best known for its XRP cryptocurrency and global payments network, but it is now setting its sights on the tokenized asset market. In its 2023 new value report, the company believes blockchain technology can unlock trillions of dollars of value in the global financial system by tokenizing real estate, real-world assets like stock, bonds, and real estate. And all of this brings me back to the $10,000 price prediction and the global scalability aspect of it, because this is so important. The fact that XRP requires global scalability, we are already seeing. We see it with the relistings, we see it with the partnerships happening between financial institutions, banks, and central bank digital currencies, and we see it integrated into our daily lives and increasingly getting integrated into it. So of course, as more companies, as more financial institutions, and as more countries accept the transfer of the RippleNet system into their service, into their country, and we start to see XRP being the main key aspect of cross-border payments through, of course, the RippleNet system, because of Ripple's partnerships, it is a must that XRP's value must increase because of the fact that there's just more money flowing into the XRP ledger through the RippleNet system. And I want to emphasize here that I'm not a financial or legal advisor, so nothing I say is financial or legal advice, and you should never invest based on what I or anybody, in fact, without you personally doing your own due diligence and your own research. But looking at it like this, like XRP is getting its global scalability. Once global scalability is reached, we are going to see that, a massive jump in XRP's price. And just imagining 30 trillion into XRP's market cap is going to bring it to around $500 per coin. And this is only in one specific sector. This is the, we're looking at stocks, bonds, and real estate. Now, what about all the countries transferring payments? What about all of the debt? What about all of the wealth that Swift is transferring that Ripple and XRP could potentially take within their ledger and within their payment service? So of course, I want you guys to take a quick thought about that and really think about what XRPs can reach, because when you get, a co-founder citing that with global scalability, XRP has potential to reach 10 grand, it really proves an emphasis on what we could see XRP hit in the coming weeks, months, and years. And I want to end off this video by telling you guys that I'm always posting all the latest news on my channel, so make sure you guys do hit that subscribe button, you smash the like button, and you share this video to your friends and family. And as always, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms, specifically Twitter at CryptoGeekNews, where I'm always posting all of the latest news that comes out first, so you would have found out everything right as it happens right here. So drop a follow on my Twitter, drop a follow on all the social media platforms down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.